Hi guys, I'm Aarti and today I'm going to share with you all my mental health story. So I was diagnosed with mild clinical depression back in 2017. So I went through therapy and did my own bits to kind of get out of it, which I did. I don't want to dig deep too much into that. But then coming to 2018 end, I was diagnosed with clinical anxiety. And that was a scary experience for me. Very frightening, very terrifying, very crippling. Like I wouldn't wish anybody ever had to go through that. So yeah, I went through that. I had to see a doctor, I had to get on medicines for it, and now touch wood, I'm at a phase where I'm almost off meds, so I'm very happy about it. But through my experience of dealing with two different forms of mental illnesses, here's what I want to say today. Today I do not want to talk to people battling mental illnesses because I do that very often on my YouTube and my Instagram. Today I want to talk to people in the lives of these people. I feel people need to start educating themselves, getting aware of the situation, and start learning more things about this because people battling mental illnesses in our country do not get the support that they actually need and deserve in the moment. Most of the times people keep it a secret, they don't tell about it to people. A lot of people don't even tell their own families. So imagine having to deal with something so scary and so crippling on your own is just not fair to anybody. Yeah. And when I was going through it in 2017, people didn't even know. People weren't even aware that depression is a disease. So many people told me you're just in a bad mood. People thought it's a mood swing. You should think more positive thoughts and all of that had happened. But I did my bit to try and explain it to people around me. But it's very exhausting after a point of time when you're dealing with something like that yourself. I think people need to start educating themselves. Yeah, because today when I sit and look back on the past 2-3 years and I think of some of my scariest days that I've had during my anxiety, where I sat alone and cried because I didn't know what was happening in my brain. I thought even if there was one person holding my hand through it and saying, things will get better, maybe I would have gotten better sooner. So all I'm saying is I think that was lacking, and everybody deserves support here. So also do not expect people going through mental illnesses to come and talk to you. It's not possible, I'm telling you, because what's happening in your head is so scary. You start judging yourself, so to try and articulate what is happening to somebody else, it's kind of not possible. So in a situation like this, it is great if you can go and initiate a conversation and say, hey, I'm here for a call if you need. Hey, I'm here for help if you need. I want to say this one thing that happened recently, which is amazing. So because I talk about this very often on my YouTube, I had a friend who pinged me after watching one of my videos, and he said, I saw your video where you said your friends weren't around for you, but in our defense, this is what happened. So he messaged me saying whenever we would meet you, you looked normal, you looked happy, choppy, so we thought why to bring it up. Okay, fair. Then he also said we didn't know how to bring it up because it can be such a touchy and sensitive topic. And I told him, I'm so glad that you've shared your side of the story with me. And I told him, I'm so glad we are even having this conversation. So after that, we had our conversation and I gave him my bits and pieces of what I felt and what was I going through and what would have I appreciated for him to know in the future. But starting, even this conversation is such a great starting point. Starting these conversations is very important. Like, I'll give you one little example that could give you sort of a perspective. Imagine one of your friends having cancer, diagnosed with cancer, and you completely staying mum about it around them all the time because you don't know how to bring it up or have a conversation about it, or just because they seem fine to you. Yeah, that's how it is. I mean, you're going through something very scary, and just having that one word from you all, just having that one phone call from you all can actually help a person a lot. And because I've gone through these days, I'm I speak about these things very passionately on my Instagram stories because I feel like if me sharing an experience or a perspective can help even one person on their low day, if it can help them feel better, then my purpose is served, and I feel very happy about it. So yeah, please start educating yourself, informing yourself, and reaching out to your friends going through this. They will remember it for all their lives.